Hi, my name is Jean. I'm 54 years old, and I joined LadyBoss this last summer and really liked the program. Love the menus, love the shopping list, the conveniences, love the community of women supporting women and uplifting everyone. Um, when the opportunity came up to join the LadyBoss Results Coaching Program, I really took it seriously because I need accountability. I did not put myself in 100% for the regular LadyBoss. I am now. I have to report to Coach Becky weekly of everything I eat and all my exercise, and I need that accountability. I've been exercising more this past month than I have in years, and I'm loving it. And it is a struggle, but so is not being healthy. So I know the program is pricey, but the way I thought of it is you can't put a price tag on your health. And I'm getting up in age, and I want to be active and healthy, and my goal is to lose 100 pounds, and I'm going to do it. And this program has been awesome, and I can't thank Kaelin enough for what she's done for all these women. And if you have the opportunity to join, it is well worth it, and it holds you accountable. So, again, I absolutely love this program and very grateful. I feel it is a lifesaver for me. Thanks, and have a great night.